Create stunning visuals yourself in a few seconds. Let's go.
We are going to make use of ChatGPT and Google Gemini. So I'm heading over to ChatGPT. Now, when you come to ChatGPT, you have to think, what type of flyer are you creating? Is it event promotion? Is it for product launch? Is it for services? Is it for real estate? Now you know the type of flyer you want to create. Now I'm going to use ChatGPT to just create the prompt, although ChatGPT can also create the image for me, but I don't want to use ChatGPT to create the image. I just want to get the prompt. So I'll just go ahead and tell ChatGPT to give me a professional prompt. To create a business flyer. For this tutorial, I want to create a flyer for a fashion brand. Now this is my prompt. I said give me a professional prompt to create a business flyer for fashion brand, and the prompt include business name, which is Elena's Couture, collection name, which is Summer Bloom, also include latest trends, sales offer details, include both male and female wears, and I also went ahead to say add more details to enhance this prompt for a catchy and professional banner. Now I'm going to go ahead and send this. Now why I said prompt, why I told ChatGPT to give me the prompt, because if I did not say give me the prompt, it is going to generate the image for me. So that's why I have to lay emphasis on give me the prompt. I will generate in Gemini. If you did not put give me the prompt, it is going to generate the image for you. So I'm going to go ahead and send this. Let's see the prompt is going to bring. Now I forgot to add contact details. I wonder the type of flyer that does not have a contact details. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT also include a contact detail. So now it has added a contact info. I said hypothetical, which means just assume anything, like any contact detail, and give me. Now when you are doing you have to put your main contact info. I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt and head over to Google Gemini and paste, and I will send. Remember, you can also create this design in ChatGPT. So let's see what the kind of prompt that ChatGPT gave us. Let's see the outcome. This is it. Are you seeing it? Even though I do not like the outcome, but it's manageable. You can make your prompting more detailed. You can make your prompting more detailed. The more detailed it is, the more finer and beautiful your outcome is going to be. This is how to create a flyer using ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Now let's see the type of image ChatGPT is going to give us using the same prompt. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT create the image for me. So let's compare and contrast which is better, the Google Gemini or the ChatGPT. Wow, I don't think ChatGPT gave a more beautiful design. So as you can see, ChatGPT also gave a beautiful design. It's even more beautiful than Google Gemini. So it is left for you. You want to create using ChatGPT or you want to create using Google Gemini. Okay, bye.